Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I have seen many people, who are really passionate about data science, but when they start, they actually lose all the motivation level till they are actually preparing the data science things. Probably after attending 1 to 2 interviews, they skip the entire learning process of data science itself. So if you are actually losing motivation, guys, this is just a small video. Please listen it out completely. Check out this particular video till the end because I'm going to share you a very simple story. There was one of my subscriber, and that same subscriber, he failed in 10 interviews within the span of 3 months. You know, within the span of 3 months, he failed in 10 interviews, and after that, the 11th interview is that he cleared it. And when I had a specific conversation with him, he said that Krish, I am very happy to announce that I've cleared my 11th interview. Then I told him that what was the motivation level that kept him on while preparing data science. He just said one thing, Krish, all the 10 interviews that I failed, I after coming out of the interview, I was happy every time. And how? Because every time he was attending the next interview, the interview was going well when compared to the previous interview. And by that particular way, he was definitely confident, that he will clear the interview very much easily as he go ahead. Now, this is pretty much amazing, guys, because see over here, that subscriber, I'll also be calling him in one-to-one discussion. He wants to join that particular company and then come for an interview. But over here, the person only focused on his positive things instead of focusing on the negative things. The mistakes that he made in the interview, he started working on them. And the positiveness that were coming out of the interview, that actually motivated him more and more. He was focusing on that specific thing. And he was pretty much sure that, he will definitely clear the interview. And hence he has done it, And the hike that he actually got, guys, he was somewhere around 4+ years of experience, and he got somewhere around 80 percentage hike, which is pretty much good. Now you can just imagine or make a thought process because he was already a software engineer, okay, and he was working probably in the retail domain, and then he made a successful career transition. Now I've seen many people who are losing motivation, while learning data science. Probably after you have learned the data science completely, you have done a lot of projects, but when you're attending the interview after first or second try, I've seen many of my friends, who are like similar kind of experience, they actually stop giving the further interview, they stop preparing for it. But always understand, guys, if you work on your negative things and focus more on your positive things, and if you make that deadly combo pack, every time you will definitely improve. And this is just a motivational video for you all. Do not lose any kind of motivation for preparing anything. If you really want to be success, that success will only be delayed if you are focused on, yeah, there are many people who do not fail, who do not be successful on the very first day, but yes, after some days they definitely become successful. And this is one amazing example or amazing story that I have actually shared with you, right? So I hope you like this particular video. Please make sure that you subscribe the channel, press the bell notification icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye. Don't forget to share this video with everyone, guys. Right? I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.